In this video, I'm going to teach you how to mount the air conditioner outdoor bracket on the wall. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Like, comment and share. This is the bracket bolt and nut. You need the spanner, chisel, hammer, plumb and measuring tape to mount the bracket. Take in measurement of the leg of the AC. Translate your measurements on the wall and mark appropriately. Attach your plumb to the body of the bracket and place it on the wall. Now check that it is well plumbed to the wall. Now mark the areas to punch. Punch the mark point and insert your fissure into the hole. This is the fissure. Hit the fissure with your hammer into the hole. Place the bracket holder to the wall and tight it with your spanner. Tight it very well to the wall. Are you learning anything from this video? Please like, share and comment on this video. Please. Kindly do the same thing to the other bracket holder and fix appropriately. Punch the hole using your chisel and hammer. Fix the seat to the wall holder. The method we have used to mount the bracket to the wall is called the manual method. We still have the machine method. We will show you in our next video how to use the machine to install the wall bracket. Thank you for watching. We love you all.